Lumalakas na naman ang mga ugong-ugong ng impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte matapos i-push ng mga kongresista at maging prosecutors nito for extra airtime siguro kasi nga again, you know, nasa national television ka. So that's good. With the Senate's two minority members, Risa and Kiko, ang salitang forthwith na nakalagay sa probisyon at guide whenever at least one-third ng Kongreso ang pumirma ng isa impeachment complaint. Although, of course, yung kanilang pag-push sa impeachment ni Sara Duterte is not forthwithly. Get it? I try to be clever sometimes but it just doesn't seem to work. Siguro tinapos muna ni Senator Risa yung kick-off campaign ni na future Senator Bam and Kiko sa balbuarte ni Mama Lenny.
If the majority so decides, you can always suspend it, set it aside, even amend it.
Amend it, yeah. Pero as long as hindi pa amended, ano sundin
yan
namin?
yung existing.
Yung imagine na, mag-imagine kami na as if amended. Dito muna tayo sa wording of the existing, di ba? Kung how it is written, dito tayo.
So all of this taken into consideration, ayaw nila gawin yan ng majority. So ibig sabihin, it stands to reason, ayaw nila ng impeachment.
Hindi ko pa masabing ayaw ng majority. Kasi
yeah, but how else do you explain why they are not